test 3. So the first one, we're on practice test 3, and we need to do 2E, which is the sector problem. So the area of a sector, remember, is angle over 360 times pi r squared. So pi r squared would be 256 pi. We do need this answer exactly, so I'm going to let the calculator do the work. So 102 divided by, 102 divided by 360 times 256, some decimal, so I'll math bracket, and I end up with 108815 pi, don't forget the pi, and then that would be square feet. And that's it. That is 2E. Now remember, we were working backwards, so we still have to do problem 1. So the first one in problem 1 is this: solving the triangle. So that means we need to find all of the angles. Remember, if you're looking for the angles or the sides, you have to use one of your laws. So since I don't have a pair, I'm going to go ahead and use my law of cosines, and I'm going to go ahead and find angle C. Remember, when you're picking, you can pick your own angle. Just got to show you work so I know where you started. So here we go. If I'm going to find angle C, then I'm going to put cosine C out here, and then over here it will be the side across from that, so 16 squared. If you're doing angle S, then you'll have 18 squared out here. So 16 squared equals 18 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times 18 times 21 times the cosine of C. Now, remember, when what you're solving for is kind of in the middle of all this other junk, you can't just type this in. So we're going to get from here to the answer in as many or as few steps as you need. I'm going to go ahead and show all the steps, but that isn't necessary for all of you to do that. I'm just going to do it, squaring everything individually. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply 2 times 18 times 21. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine these two because they're being added, so that's good. I can add those together. Now do not subtract. Instead, subtract this over to here. So 256 minus 765. So I got negative 509 equal to negative 756 cosine C. So then I'll divide. The negatives will cancel. And then I will second cosine that answer. And I got 47.68 degrees for angle C. Okay? Now you're not done. We got to find the other two angles. But now at least you have some choices. Now you do have a pair. So if you want to, you can say sine 47.68 over 16 equals sine, maybe S over 18. You could also do H over 21. So this is one option. Once you found that first angle, you could repeat the law of cosines for angle S if you wanted to. Most of us find this a little faster. again, show your work. Show your work. You've got lots of choices, show your work. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply here. And then I'll divide by 16. So now sine S equals this. Now it's not S equals, it's sine S equals. So I'm going to second sign that fraction. And I got 56.29. Double check that. Yeah, 56.29, perfect. Now, once I've found these two, then I can go ahead and add those together. And whoops, subtract from 180. And this one is 76.03. So you have solved the triangle using first the law of sines, first the law of cosines, and then the law of sines, or if you preferred, you could do it all with cosines, just cosines. All right, one more. Now this is 1B. So now we've got another triangle to solve. This is 92, 73, S16, HCHS. There we go. So we know what we need to figure out in a nice little list over here. We got to figure out, well, H is easy, right? We can get angle H. That's easy points. That'd be, oh my, just 15? A little one. Now, what do we notice? You see it? So sine 73 over 16 equals sine 15 over H, or sine 73 over 16 equals sine 92 over S. Now I said or, but it's really and. I have to do both of these. I have to do both of these. And the nice thing about these is when you do your cross multiply and you divide, it is H equals. So all you have to do is type, that cancels, all you have to do is type that into your calculator. 16 sine 15, close parentheses, divided by sine 73. Shoot. And I got, oh my, oh, we knew that was going to be small though, didn't we? 4.33? We knew it was going to be small because that's a tiny, tiny little angle. And remember, little angles get little sides. All right, and then doing the same thing here, go ahead, on your own, multiply. Same thing, you're going to do exactly the same arithmetic here. And I got 16.72. You're going to take 16 sine 92, and you're going to divide that by sine 73. And there we go. Practice test done. Good luck.